now we are going to do a little reading of the words and sounds that we just learned. You can start when you're ready. Put your finger at the beginning of the title and read the entire thing.
The chums Chop and Chop. Chip is a chap. Chad is his chum. Chip did chop a log. He can chip and chop, chop and chip. Did Chad see Chip chop the log? Can Chad chop? Chad can chop and chip. Chad chops and chats. Chad and Chip chat, chat, chat. No, no. A chip of the log hit Chad on the chin. Mom had to chat at Chad. He cannot chop and chat. Mom had to chat at Chip. He cannot chop and chat. The chums cannot chop and chat. Chop, chip, chat. Chip and Chad chat, not chop. Chat, 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 chat.
Good job. You didn't make any mistakes. I'm very proud